Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button. I make videos about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are interested in this type of stuff, then this is the channel for you which you should subscribe. After watching this video, you can check out this other videos on my channel because all this video will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online. Today I'm going to show you, reveal to you a method with which you can definitely make your first commission in 2 to 3 days if you take action on this method. So this method is 100% working legit strategy which most of the affiliate marketers are using each and every day. So let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. And if you are really serious about making your first sale as soon as possible, then this is the video for you. 100% practical advice for you how you will make your first sale in affiliate marketing. So this is a definitely working method. Let's jump into the content. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is just go to this website which is known as muncheye.com. Why you should go to this website? Because you have seen these are some of the products which are going to be launched on JVZoo as well as on ClickBank as well as on Warrior Plus and many other affiliate networks. So what this network does, it shows you which are the new products which are going to be launched. Okay, and what you have to do is just create a review video regarding a product which is going to be launched. I'm going to show you how you can create this video, so just stick in this video until the end so that you receive everything. So you can see here on 7th of November, okay, this product is going to be launched, okay, which is known as Traffic IV. It is a JVZoo product. So if you don't have a JVZoo account, just type in JVZoo in Google and just go there and sign up, because they easily approve you and there is no problem in signing up an account with JVZoo. So just click on this page. Okay, so this is gonna be a big launch, and when this product will be launched, many of the people would be interested in this product and they will be going to YouTube and searching what can we say, this Traffic IV review. Okay, so what you have to do is create a review about this product. Now I'm gonna show you how you would create a review. You just visit the sales page of this product. Okay, by visiting the sales page, you will come to know many of the things about this product. Okay, so you can see here, this is this is traffic. Okay, this product is for traffic. So those who are interested in traffic will definitely will be interested in buying this product. Okay, the first thing we got that this is a product which helps you to get traffic, more traffic to whatever you are promoting or towards your content. Okay, so this is the page. What you have to do is create a screen recording video of this page. How you are going to do it is that first you have to download this software which is known as Open Broadcaster software. This is the software which I am currently using. You can see it here. It's very easy to use and it's absolutely available for free. So what you have to do is just download this software and create this type of screen recording video explaining this. So just if I am creating this video, what I am doing is I am just creating a screen recording video on this YouTube channel. You just have to do the same stuff, okay, and just talk about the product. Like this product is a great for traffic source. Okay, if you are interested in getting traffic to your content, this is one of the product which I definitely suggest you and you can buy. See, all these features are available in this product. That's the type of thing which you have to talk in this video, and just create a video that is almost 5 to 10 that is almost 2 to 3 minutes long, just screen recording about this product and what this product is about. And what you have to do is just create a video, put it on YouTube, and when this product gets launched, just get the affiliate link of this product and put it in your YouTube video description, so that whatever interested traffic comes to your video are definitely targeted traffic, because they are searching about this newly launched product and its review. So you are definitely going to provide value to them, and if they buy from your affiliate link, you receive a commission. Okay, so I will give you an example of such a channel which does the same thing. Okay, now let's search here JVZoo products review. Okay, so here's one of this channel which is known as JVZoo. See, this is the channel. Okay, you can check out this channel and check out videos on this channel so that you can understand what type of videos this channel creates.
Hey everybody, Andy Jenkins here.
Okay, so you can see here we are here on this channel. So what they do is that whatever the new product is going to be launched, they just go to Munch Eye, check about that product and create a screen recording video about that product. For example, you can see that there are so many new launched products, and they have just created screen recording videos regarding that product. See, each and every product has been here reviewed. Okay, whatever product is gonna be launched, they are just coming here and reviewing those products, and just with them they are placing their affiliate links in the description, and if someone buys the product from that affiliate link, they receive a commission. So you can check out this channel. This channel is a great example of using launch jacking method. So this is very easy, very simple, and you can just create this type of videos. Just use this software which is known as OBS Studio. You can download it totally for free. It's an open source software, and just create screen recording of this product, talking about this product, whatever you understand, whatever you want to speak. It's easy, it's simple. You just have to talk on the screen like I am talking, just recording my screen. Okay, that's it. You have to talk some of the points about product, and that's it. And then just take the video and upload it on YouTube, and you are done. Okay, that's simple, that's easy. How you can just make a commission in 2 to 3 days if you just take action on this method and start working. So yeah, if you like my content on this channel, then just press the subscribe button so that I get motivated to create more new and better content for you. And if you like my channel, then please check out these other videos on my channel. They will also provide you a ton of value regarding make money online. So if you like this video, press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and stay subscribed to my channel.